lost the US Open in the final. Political news. PM Modi reached capital of Ghana to receive the country's highest award tonight. National news. India is there in armed conflict. India decides to evacuate its national from Israel and may relocate it.
Today is 3rd of July, and for today's important for today, I would like to call Sanchita.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to present today's important of the day. Today is 3rd of July and today is International Plastic Bag Free Day. International Plastic Bag Free Day is a day to think about how plastic bags affect our planet and environment. Plastic bags are bad for the earth, animals and living things. They make oceans dirty and pollute the soil. When we throw away plastic bags, they don't decompose. They stay in the environment and cause soil pollution and also harm the wildlife. They clog drains and pollute the environment. We can help this problem by using bags made of clothes and jute. These bags are reusable, durable and good for the planet. Let's work together to reduce plastic waste, keep our planet clean and protect the environment. Every small action counts and together we can make a big difference. We can start by making small changes in our